charging, the rest of the half days. I'm finding somewhere to park.
I've never been. Yeah, but I just
Is it still running?
No, I think they get round those corners. If you notice, they have one get caught up. There he goes. Go inside
It's quite a major part. It's some Davos area.
Yeah, well, that's right. I mean, that's right. We'll keep we have a little bear if you went there,
Oh, down there.
Everything on here is 4 millimetres per foot. That's shaded, whatever it is, 16 feet, whatever it is. Second hand set track is that's what I had at my time to make the certainty, cover the outdoors.
Get the tracking on the
But they are somewhere I watched that view go that much, and my drill was that wide. When you put the on the track,
make some comments about women being fast and all that.
It's a point motor, which is
yeah. Never seen
In the marmot. Only one we live in Leverstock Green.
There's loads of them.
Yeah, that was a joke. That was. We had to keep moving it round until we could lessen the
you can.
angle. Yeah.
Apparently he done it the next year and it was a complete flop because there was a lot of people there that year, wasn't there? Yeah. But the next year apparently I was chatting to him. Yeah. Have you, where's your clubhouse?
We've got one now. We just were trying to find somewhere. We were trying
Yeah.
to find somewhere for it.
Yeah, I can imagine it's a real problem.
We got thrown out of the factory. Well, they used to make it in mine. But the guy behind it was quite spiteful.
I'll do it whenever I can. Yeah. I know that particular day. With the underground. Yeah.
Can you hear the noise?
Yes.
Does it suit that?
This gentleman, Bill Ricky.
I heard you talking there. Where do you hold your shows?
It was Gallywood Heritage Centre. We did one there last year for them. We did all the organising, but it was their show.
I don't know the ins and outs.
Everything else was third hand. But,
Is it a show or is it a...
No, it was a show, but Barney's.
yeah,
Oh, that one.
Yeah, it's got Barney.
last year, several.
Is that because of the problems I had here before? Because do you think we didn't turn up because the spectators lots of something not being available in the afternoon and things like that.
Yeah, it was just half hour down the road from me. So I live in Adelaide. Here we go.
I can hear its wheels.
Like a real train.
So I don't
Well, as you're starting out, it's, so long as you've got more of the stuff, you're all right. But if you get the older stuff, then you have problems. And this is all new. It's exactly the same for.
He gets everything.
Has it hooked up?
They're all lagged.
Oh, so it stays hot in them as well, does it?
Yeah, they're all lagged. Good dinner? Yeah.
Apple pie and
Was it
double
tops up? Was
custard.
it?
Apple pie and double custard's
You
come
got
back with the
double
other one.
custard?
Double custard.
But he would, wouldn't
He won't be awake this afternoon with that, will
What's the
he?
bitumen? What's like bitumen?
He won't. It's the beard. Or is it the bit, it's the bit where...
This was used to go in at 200 pen. That means 200 millimetre penetration is a system for thinner. And they would air blow it and get the different grades.
Right.
Yeah, that's what works. Yeah. If it doesn't, just switch everything off. Yeah. That's what not temperature. And then, if say you dump too much, it'll trip itself. And then you've got to wait till it reset. Normally, right to these lights will come on, yeah? Oh, that's right, that is on the short, that's
Steady, Keith. No. I want to roll back, John, and I'll try and uncouple it.
So they switched it off.
Oh,
Yeah, I got 2 lunches. Do you give us a cup of tea with it as well?
if you take a ticket.
Back of it, back of it.
What do you say? Switch it all off. That's all off. That's off. That's shot off. Is that off or is that shot?